know why she'd be up at Palm Coast.
Okay.
I'm kind of surprised.
On September 9th, 2025, officers responded to a hit-and-run crash after a suspect fled the scene.
Confirm, one and the same they provided. Did they stop?
10-4, Moody and Fig.
Pretty and Fig. The other half's going to the courthouse to keep them separated.
Can you turn the car off on me?
Sure, of course. The man is accusing me of things.
What man?
The man that's behind me.
Okay.
And I haven't done anything.
Hmm?
I have not done
Okay. Just stay in the car for me.
anything. Sure.
So that we got calls saying you were involved in a crash. So what happened?
No, I didn't do anything.
No?
He accused.
And what was he driving?
I'm not really sure.
So who is he?
I don't.
You know where you're at right now?
I am.
Where?
I'm in New Smyrna.
No. Sit tight for me.
In her purse, there's a drink and white claw. It looks like she had just shoved it in there.
Closed or?
Oh, she just covered it up with her wallet. It's open. Empty.
So what did you just cover up in your purse?
Nothing.
Nothing. You know I have a deputy right there who's seeing everything,
I
right?
know.
The white claw in your purse?
Friend.
We're not friends. I'm a deputy sheriff.
I'm an educator.
Okay. And that's
Okay.
fine. So, can you tell me anything about what happened?
I don't know why he did.
Why he did what?
did. I don't know.
Stay in the car. So you can't tell me anything about what happened, why I'm here, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Were you involved in a crash at all?
There's no crash.
Okay. Do you have any ID on you?
Yes.
Dudley. So the reason why I'll tell you the reason why I'm here. So I don't have the other side of the story yet. I have limited details, but I was told you were involved in a crash.
I wasn't involved in a crash.
Okay.
I was not.
But you can't tell me anything about what happened. You just said stay in the car.
Okay.
You just said
I
somebody's
will.
accusing you of something, but you can't tell me what.
He is telling me he was being accusatory towards me,
Saying what?
saying that I wrecked into him, which did not happen.
Okay.
It did not happen.
Okay.
And he was saying that.
Where did this?
Now-
Where did you make contact with him? Where was that at?
It was in a parking lot.
Which parking lot?
I wish I knew. I was actually, it wasn't a parking lot. It was. I can show you.
No, we're not going over there. You shouldn't be driving. So.
Yes, I should.
No. You can't tell me. You think you're in New Smyrna right now?
Listen,
Mm-hmm.
I will have my husband come and get me.
We'll hold off on that.
I mean, this guy's ridiculous. I didn't
So you
do
said
anything.
You said he accused you of hitting his car. I'm assuming. I'm not saying it happened. I'm trying to figure out what was said. That's all.
He accused me,
Okay.
and it didn't happen.
Okay, but you're not able to tell me where this happened.
Well, it was. I'm not familiar with the area,
Okay.
but it was like. Because I was just trying to turn around.
Gotcha. Where are you coming from?
Ormond.
Okay, where are you trying to get to?
Ormond.
So you realize that this is way out of the way. And you think this is New Smyrna. Okay, sit tight for me.
No.
Yeah, stay in the car. Otherwise, it's going to go a different direction. Stay in the car for now.
No.
Yes, stay in the car.
I know. I will.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm out here with Elizabeth.
Yes.
She was involved in a minor fender bender crash. She can't find the insurance for the vehicle. I'm trying to see if you have a copy of that. Is there a reason why she'd be up in Palm Coast?
I don't know. I don't know why she'd be up in Palm Coast.
Okay.
I'm kind of surprised.
She said is she a teacher?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna.
Maybe it was raining and she missed the exit. That's probably why.
Well, there are signs of intoxication as well, like heavily intoxicated. And I'm not trying to make you upset or anything like that, but we just got to do the crash part, and then we'll try to finish up.
Well, she didn't cry. You just said she had a light bumper thing.
Yeah.
I mean, that's not a car crash.
It's still considered a crash. We got to do a crash report.
It's under a certain amount of money. It's not a crash.
Okay.
You know that as well as I do.
Okay.
Right? So my wife's on the phone. Let me talk to her. Okay?
Okay. If we can't get his insurance, we're gonna proceed without it.
Oh, hold on.
Hey there.
Hello. They said you were calling him, so I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to get the insurance. That's all I'm really trying to do.
No, it's fine.
So I don't know.
I did not bump into him.
Well, he's got damage to his car. And you also have damage to your car. Pretty consistent.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to get in the rain, but
Okay. It's a small spot,
I mean,
but it's consistent with the damage on his car.
it's not.
Not what?
I will pay, and my insurance
That's fine.
will pay.
Well, I don't know if you
But
have
I mean,
insurance
it's
yet.
not. No. But what I'm saying is, it's not consistent with something being.
You haven't even seen his car yet.
So, well, if it's not consistent,
Who said it's not consistent?
well,
Have you seen the front of your car yet?
hold on.
You can hold. That's your phone. I'm not holding your phone for you. You can leave it in the car if you want.
Well, you can help me out. Can you?
Are you able to stand on your own?
Of course. No. Where?
Well, this is the street. Your front of your car is over
I
there.
know. Where?
In the front of your car. In the front bumper. Okay, have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
No,
You're falling over.
Well, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm exhausted.
Okay.
I'm a teacher, and I can look. Where?
Right there.
Oh my goodness.
It's like I said, it's very minor.
That is huge.
Very minor. I told you that from the get-go. But there's still damage, and he's got minor damage to his car as well.
Really? 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 There is nothing there.
But you can't wipe it away. It's
Nothing.
still there.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
All right.
Sorry.
So if we can't get proof of insurance, we're gonna go with you're you're an uninsured motorist, and we'll proceed that way if you would like.
That is ridiculous.
Fine, you can call it what you want, but if one
mean-
person wants a crash report, we have to do it.
That
You can't wipe it away. It's still there.
no. It's not there.
It is there.
And that is probably something that was there before.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Go ahead and have a seat back in your car for me.
No. 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 No.
Okay. It's not going to wipe off.
I'm not.
So, can you have a seat back in your car for me, please?
Of course.
Thanks.
Of course I can. But I'm not going to have someone claim something when it didn't happen.
Okay. There's also a video camera, so I'm going to take a look at that whenever I get it.
Sure.
Okay.
Of course. Of course.
Can you have a seat back in your car for me,
Yes.
please?
Yes. I just want to know what. Really? Yeah. I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize to me. You want to leave it open? Okay.
Because of the weather, officers had her step out of the vehicle and escorted her to a nearby overhang to continue their investigation under cover.
You mind hopping out for me?
So much shit. For work and everything else.
I got you.
Like, so much shit.
You can go to my car right here if you want.
We're gonna go right here to this car.
So much shit.
We're gonna lock it up. We're gonna lock it up. Don't worry.
Why?
I have your keys.
We have your keys. We're gonna lock it up. We're gonna go over here to this
but
car.
Why not? You guys drive it.
Drive your car down there? We're not gonna drive your car down there.
Drive it home.
It's not my
Because
car.
I have so much
If I
shit.
crash it, I'm in trouble. I can't drive your car. If I drive my own car and crash it, it's my fault.
So this deputy here is gonna stay out. He's gonna hang out with your car while we go down there. Make sure your car's safe, okay? So let's have a walk right here to this car, okay? We'll lock it. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're gonna go right here to this deputy, straight ahead. Just have a seat in the back of his car, okay? We're gonna go straight ahead to that overhang. Can you just hang out with the car?
You know where you're going?
Straight right there.
No. Hansburg.
I thought it was 11:33.
11:33.
Okay, he's not asking for your address. Alright, step on out. You're getting soaked. Come on up. We're going to try to get you under this canopy so we can finish.
Okay. I don't care.
Okay. You need
Get me out of here.
Come on.
I don't care.
Alright, watch your step.
Come over here, alright?
Whoa. Here, do me a favor. Hold on to that pole. You got something to get balance on.
Stand up. Alright, ma'am. What I need you to do, I need
ma'am. No, ma'am.
ma'am, I need you to step off the pole for me.
I don't want to.
Unfortunately, for us to do these field sobriety exercises, you have to stand off the pole.
I'm not going to.
So you do not want to conduct.
I don't want to.
You don't want to what? You don't want to participate in the exercises? We're not taking that. Do you not want to participate in the exercises? Well, it's a yes or no. It's a simple question. Otherwise, we have to go off of what we've got so far.
I really want
So you want to, right?
Really, yes.
Okay, so if that's a yes, I need you to stand up, act like an adult, get off the pole, put your feet together and your arms at your side. Okay, can you put your feet together safely? Okay. Put your arms at your side just like that.
You feel comfortable standing up on your own without the pole?
Yes.
You want to continue with this?
No.
Are you? Let me ask you a question. Are you normally able to stand up on your own like this?
Yes.
Okay. So why can't we do that now?
Get off.
Okay.
All right, man. Keep together.
Come on.
No, not really.
Yes. Yes.
All right, man. So this is kind of where we're at, okay? Based off this, I don't think you're able to complete your sobriety exercises without causing a safety hazard. You cannot. Don't lean on me, please.
Just get me home.
Okay.
Just get
So
me
right now,
home.
I'm gonna need you to turn around and place your hands behind your back.
No.
Yes. Stop. Do not resist.
What are you doing?
You're being placed under arrest for DUI. Okay?
No.
This is not your first DUI. You have a prior. Okay? You're intoxicated.
You guys can't do this to me.
Let me ask you a question. If we were to let you go from here, how would you get home? What direction?
I would have my husband.
No, what direction? How would you get there? Like direction, turn by turn.
My husband would come and get me.
Be quiet for 1 second. If you have anything tucked anywhere, it's gonna be an extra charge. If you have anything tucked anywhere, in your pants, in your bra,
going to the
it's a yes,
fucking charge.
yes, you are. You're going to jail. That's right. That's why you have handcuffs on. Do you have anything tucked anywhere?
Don't.
It's a yes or no.
Take me to
It's a
the
yes.
fucking
Stop pulling.
charge.
Stop pulling.
No.
Stop pulling.
Because I'm
You're gonna
gonna-
catch an extra charge if you keep pulling away from me.
If you keep resisting, you will be charged with resisting.
You're going to jail. That's over. So, do you have anything tucked anywhere? I'm gonna give you a fair shot now, because if you do,
Why
it goes
am
in.
I going to jail?
Because you're intoxicated and you're driving.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No,
Okay.
this is not. Okay. This is not okay. This is not okay.
All right.
It is not okay.
Best way to do this, sit your butt down and slide your feet in. Come on. Come on. Let's not do this.
You're gonna get an extra charge if
Please.
you don't get in the car.
Ma'am, I will give you 5 seconds to get in the car. Otherwise, you are being charged with resisting without violence.
And you're gonna be placed in the car.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please get in the car. All right, we're gonna make you get in the car then. Ma'am, you're making this worse. Why are you doing this?
Why are you
Sit
doing
in the
this?
car.
Why are
Act
you
like
guys
an adult and
doing
sit
this?
in the
You got
car.
her bottom end.
Why are you guys doing this to me?
Lift.
Get her. You need to get her left leg.
Yeah, she just keeps.
Turn her left leg.
Why are you guys
Work on her left. There you go. Ma'am, you're acting like a child. Act like an adult and get in the car.
You got her on. Here, pull her out. Pull her out.
I want my
If we push right here, push it.
get no. Get my phone,
Yes, ma'am.
please.
Ma'am,
Please.
sit up like an adult.
Please get okay. Please get my phone. Can you? Can you
You're being charged with resisting without violence.
get my phone? Get my phone, please. And thank you. Please. Please. Please.
Everything's in the car.
She was later charged with refusing DUI testing, leaving the scene of a crash, and obstruction without violence. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.